So I was working on this game and developing it while I was at my home. And there I had the complete setup. I had that VS Code thing ready. I had basically everything ready for the development. Uh, Before leaving, I pushed it into my GitHub so that I don't have to copy paste it in a pen drive and keep it with me in some physical object. But yeah, so um, now that I'm using my laptop for development, it will take me some time to set things up. And by some time, I mean probably 1 hour at max because I have those two scripts. Both are Python scripts. So, yes, that is it. So, I just installed VS Code in my system. And after that, I ran those two scripts so that VS Code is with the same settings as it was in my previous device. So, consistency is there. Now, if you see, it is. I just pulled the latest code from Git, and now it's compiling. So that's there. But the compilation is going to take some time because I didn't worked on this device for about 2 months. So this is going to take the latest changes, and then after that we should be able to develop the same thing over here. I will show it to you once it is compiled and ready. Okay, so now that the compilation is complete, let's quickly check what do we have so far, what is already available to us, and from where we left this and how to continue with it. Yeah. So here we are. We will start the game. Yes. So one thing is that a cursor, the red dot, it hides under the other sprite. So I need to fix that because the cursor should be always visible. Apart from that, apart from that, yes, yes, yeah. So there's the game over thing. That is also there. Final score 0, wave reach 1, and high score 0. That is how it is supposed to be. Uh, Play again doesn't work. Main menu doesn't work. Quit game doesn't work. But if I press escape, and I can start the game again. So yeah, that's fine. That's nice. So here we go. That's destroyed. That's destroyed. That's destroyed. So camera shake effect is there, and hmm, wave system is there. Health system is there. Yeah, I remember I completed that before shifting. Uh, I will need some. Oh yeah, bloom effect is there. So when I'm in really danger, yeah, uh, what is going to happen is the bloom effect is going to trigger in. So the more danger we are in, the more is the value of the bloom. Yeah, my health bar that shows my life. So currently, only the red ones can affect my health. Ah, life is gone. Fuck, I cannot get over it. This game is already nice. A few things. I think main menu is going to be one of the thing. I will need that main menu thing. That should be working nice. One thing that. Then apart from that, little bit of polishing and yeah, I should be able to do that. Cheers.